cool. So pentatonic fingering number 3 is up for grabs now. So again, I'm going to show you how to play it and a good way to practice it. Groups of 3s, just going to kind of walk through it just like the previous 2 videos. And then, you know, in the meantime, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. Ring the bell for notifications. And then, you know, if you like this and you know, all the resources for these videos, all the transcriptions, the PDFs, the videos, the play-alongs, that kind of stuff, is all available at Brockguitar.com. That's Brockguitar.com. Okay, so pentatonic fingering number 3. Let's get this camera over here. Camera's acting like it's had a little too much to drink there. Okay. So here we go. Starting again on fret 5. Okay. This one's kind of cool. We got 3 strings in a row. It'll all look the same. So for strings 6, 5, and 4, the frets are going to be 5 and 7, and you're just going to use your index and third fingers. That's all you got. Then, when we get to string 3, we got to stretch out for half a second. We got to grab that 4th fret on string 3, but we still got to play 7 on string 3. So, 4 and 7 on string 3. And I'm just going to tell you right now, go ahead and use your index finger on 4, and go ahead and use your third finger on 7. You know, unless you just feel groovy about going little finger. The reason I want you to use your third finger right there is because the next string, string 2, you're going to be going 5 and 8. So I think that's a better idea than always practicing like shifting your whole hand. I don't like to shift my hand like in, you know, just flat out. I mean, I like to kind of like work my way into it. But then when you get to string 1, it's going to be 5 and 7 again. So index and ring fingers. All right. And you know, again, work it out with downstrokes if you're new to this. And now I'm going to go backwards. It's 7 and 5, 8, 5, 7, 4, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5. I really feel like I need to come back to the root there. Okay, so now let's do groups of 3s. So here we are on strings 6 and 5 are going to go like this. You're going to go, all right, and then we're going to come back to this note. So there's our first 6 notes. 2 different groups of 3s. One starting from the A. We're basically, if I name the notes, we're going A, B, D, B, D, E. Now we're going to go D, E, G, E, G, A. And then we're going to go G, A, B, D, and so on. That's really what's going on. So here we go. Starting on the big string, fret 5. We got these 3 notes. Then starting from this note. Okay, now we're starting on a new string, string 5. Now we're starting on string 4. Now we're going to start on string 3 on the 4th fret. Then we're going to start on string 2 at the 5th fret. Then and now I'm going to descend. String 1. Now I'm going to start on string 2. Now I'm going to start on string 3. Now string 4 right here on 7. And then string 5, still starting on 7. Gotta play the root. Anyway. And then groups of 3s. And that is pentatonic number 3 in 5th position. All right, so again, if you like this lesson, you can head on over to brockguitar.com, check them out, sign up for lessons. It's all there, videos, play-alongs, tabs, the whole 9 yards. And I hope to see you there.